I did a service on a Scotsman Ice Machine, like commercial type, and you'll see in the video. And the evaporator plate where the water runs across was filling up and creating ice, a sheet of ice, and then it's supposed to eject. There's a push pin that ejects it, and that was not happening. It was getting stuck, and so this is what the problem was. Check it out. All right, I've got the Scotsman C0330MA ice machine that is not working properly. Basically, the ice was not ejecting from this plate. There is a push assist, a harvest assist pin right there, which gets ejected out by a solenoid. Helps push the ice out, but it gets stuck, and then the ice forms over this plate and that, and it won't come off. So we're going to replace the ice harvest assist solenoid assembly. That's this guy. See, it's stuck. There it goes. And it's kind of hard to get in here, but we're going to replace that. Here's the new one right there. Comes with some instructions. Right now we're taking out the screws. There's 4 screws, 2 in the bottom, which I just removed, and 2 up here on the top, which I'm going to take out. I've already unhooked the wire to it, and I'm going to take out the other 2 screws and get back. Okay, I changed out the solenoid, put the new one in there. It's different. If I can get the cover off there. Looks a little different than the other one. Slightly different. It already started it up, and it filled with water, and then the solenoid ejected out, and then it came back in the home position. So put the cover back on here. The problem was that the ice was not ejecting. Get the cover back on here. We'll run it. We'll see what happens here. And so this is the old mechanism right here, the old solenoid. It was in position like this inside the machine. And this guy would eject. I guess there's 2 separate pieces. This guy and the solenoid. This one would eject it out, sticking. There we go. So this would go in, but there's also a plastic sleeve that goes right here that kind of takes up the space in between here and the evaporator plate, kind of as a guide. But this thing is shot, as you can see, and it would stick as it would eject the ice out. Very stiff. Wow. As a matter of fact, it doesn't even want to go all the way. And then it just sticks. It won't go back. Yeah.